Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today I'm just surprised to see the price of the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2. So if you have checked the previous cost or the price of the CMF Nothing Watch Pro 2, it would available at usually at 5,000 rupees, 4,999, and today to my surprise I got like the price drop is 3,800 rupees, so 1,200 rupees lesser price, and I really want to buy this CMF by Nothing. And just to share this information, I'm just doing this video. Maybe this would be helpful for others who just want to know the information about this CMF Watch 2 Pro by Nothing and CMF watch. And if you have previously checked, you would also be get surprised with this price, 3,800 rupees, and this got IP68 dust and water resistant. You can answer the calls. This comes with the AMOLED display. Always display is there, always on display is there, and it is mentioned like there would be limited options for that, and this comes with the 11 days battery. And moreover, all these functions and the options, the main thing which attracted me is the looks of this watch. Really, this watch is looking pretty premium. That's the reason for many days I have been looking to purchase this CMF watch here. And who else like this watch for its looks? Keeping aside this Bluetooth functions, AMOLED display functions, and call answering functions, and all other functions, who else just like me like this CMF watch for the looks? And this is available in 4 variants, means 4 colors. I'll be showing you that 4 colors now. And please do comment one thing. I really want to ask you that did anyone bought this CMF watch Pro 2 Watch 2 Pro at cheaper price than 3,800 rupees? Means if anyone got lesser than this, please do comment. That would be helpful, because I'm just thinking of buying this deal, but I'm not sure that is there any lesser price than this. In the sale last week also it was available like 3,999. It is now even more lesser, 200 rupees lesser. And see here, as I said, it comes with 4 variants, and personally I like this black one, black or gray you can say, yeah, a dark gray strap, and it is of free size. It has gesture controls, auto brightness, means when you go out to the sun it will adjust auto brightness feature. Okay, compatible with Android and iOS, it is mentioned in the details, and 100 plus faces. Okay, that is also one of the good thing, and 11-day battery. And please do comment your opinions.